In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix corrupted data on my PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to actually connect our PS5 controller here with the USB cable all the way to the PlayStation right here. That's very important. And then you're going to click on your power button here. So make sure that your PlayStation is turned off, by the way, while doing this. So click on the power button and just wait, click and hold. Wait for the other beep. So not the first one, but the other beep. Yep, here it is. As you can see, 2 beeps, and then we are done. Or we're not actually done, but the first step is done. So you can see we need to connect the controller using the USB cable. That's why I said it's very important to connect it. You can see it goes all the way there. And now you need to click on this button right here, your PlayStation logo here button. And then click on Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, and click on Clear System Software Cache here. And then click on OK. It's going to take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes for it to completely load here. You can see here it's going to fix all of the problems that you have, one of them being corrupted data. At least this was able to fix it for me. You're going to now go back to, you can see PlayStation is basically going to restart now. And yeah, you shouldn't, by the way, you shouldn't lose any game progress or anything like that. At least I didn't. And I was able to fix this problem by doing this, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.